Welcome to two men in the kitchen, one for sure, the other one we don't know. I'm sorry Salvatore, I said something that I shouldn't say. He doesn't understand English, so who cares? But sorry Salvatore, sorry.
Thank you!
He's happy.
Thank you!
What we will cook, Salvatore, today? Cosa cuciniamo?
Oggi faremo una frittura di calamari e gamberi.
Ok.
Preparati in una barca.
Barca is a boat with
inventata
decoration.
da me, mi raccomando. È una con
said,
spaghetti fritti.
We're gonna make fried calamari and fried prawns. And he will make a boat. And with this, we'll make a boat. You can believe or not, this will be a boat with calamari. We will show you step by step. Come on, man.
Iniziamo?
Yes, I'm hungry. First of all, Salvatore will show us how to make this boat, man. We have two napkins. This is, you can see, this is a napkin. Here we have another one. Some aluminium foil. What you doing? Che stai facendo?
Sto mettendo della carta argentata nei tovaglioli per dare un po' di forma.
It's covering.
Ok.
You see what he did? He folded.
Questa è una cosa un po' semplice, non è difficile.
Let's see what will be, man. Salvatore, take off this tattoo, we cannot see.
Formiamo la barca, vedi? È importante farla venire bene, sì. Queste sono le prue. E voilà.
Look at that.
Ok.
Great.
This is.
Look at that, it's starting already to come here, look. Another one is like the first one, so should be more simple. This is the way he prepared the boat, he doesn't care about anybody else. Salvatore, you are great, sei un grande.
Grande,
You know that.
Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel.
Ecco qua, guarda Ciro, guarda. È durissimo questo.
Look, it's very hard, it will come very hard, look.
Facciamo la prova.
Yeah.
Ecco qua.
Look at that, oh look at that.
Ah?
Look. Oh, this is beautiful already.
Andremo a decorare con calamari e gamberi.
So now we go to fry the calamari and we'll make
spaghetti a centro.
with some spaghetti in the middle. I don't know what you're talking about. Do it. Come on, man. Hurry up.
Thank you.
He forgot to say you to put towel, paper towel.
Per assorbire l'olio
This with oil.
della friggitrice. Mettiamo un altro centro così.
Like that. Yeah.
Per decoration.
For decoration, what we put there? Oh, we have some salads here.
Lattuga.
Salad, lattuga, salad. Come on, man. It's a salad.
Ecco qua.
Here we go. I'm gonna eat here tonight, of course. Mangerò qui stasera, Salvatore. You agree? Look,
Andremo a fare.
he's happy about this boat. We know already. You're going to fry this. Salvatore, hurry up.
Andiamo a
What's your problem today? Let's fry this. Okay. This is a. I don't know what it is. You can see it anyway. But you can use also a glass bicchiere, normal
Bicchiere normale.
This will be covered again with aluminium foil and will be in the middle of the boat. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Okay.
Ok.
Thank you. Oil is on fire. Sunflower oil. Salvatore, look at that. You have some spaghetti here. And look, this way it doesn't get burned. It's gonna fry them. Show us, man. It's your job.
Olio bollente.
Very hot
Un
oil.
po'. È ancora un po' friddo.
Oh,
sì,
it's,
sì.
it's a little bit.
Eccolo.
It's nice.
Sta facendo.
It's okay. Look at that.
E voilà.
These are the secrets of the really chef, you know. They know these secrets and he will share with us.
La prua della barca.
Pro, I don't know how to say pro in English. So don't start to say words which I don't know even me. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look. It's good.
Ecco qua.
It's done?
Sì.
Okay.
Ok.
Look at that. Look. look how it will be. Look. It's great, is it? They are just spaghetti.
Andiamo a mettere...
Here we go. Look at that. This is very nice, Salvatore, I tell you.
Huh?
This nice decoration. Ok, let's eat. No, I like the decoration, I would like to eat also. Voglio anche mangiare, Salvatore, la decorazione e basta, eh?
Questo è per quando vengono gli amici come te a trovarci a casa e facciamo un figurone. Semplice, non molto difficile.
Cook.
Andiamo a fare la frittura.
Yes, man. Ok. Here we go. We have here the calamari. We cut the calamari before, and we start putting the oil and already smells nice. I don't think it's your parsley. I think it's calamari. Salvatore is very busy. He just finished work, by the way. He worked already 10 hours. He's appena finito di lavorare al ristorante, in the restaurant, and he's here cooking for us. So, what do you want more? Here we go, after 5 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever, when they are really a little bit brown, sono un po' marroni, biondi, sì. You can take them out. Come on.
Andiamo a togliere?
Yes, please, madam.
Ecco qua.
Oh, this is nice.
Scoliamo in carta.
Smells good, man. Profumano, profumano. Oh, look at that. They look like... oh, look. Let me take one, man. What's your problem? Ah. Oh, look. They look like... you know, this is a nice ring you can give to your girlfriend. The first ring that she can eat also. Better than this, I mean, cheap and tasty ring. Look at that. Oh, would you want to marry me? Yes, you give this. Prawns time. Gambari. Here we go, calamari and prawns are ready, fried good. So Salvatore, let's start to decorate this boat. Some salt, un po' di sale. Very nice. A little bit of black pepper. What the hell is that? A bazooka or what? What is that? This is a bazooka, look at that. 2 meters, but it's nice. So it's good seasoned. Let's decorate the boat. Un gambero. Let me see, Salvatore. Let me see. Decoration. Oh, you see. Brown are here in the glass. Oh, Salvatore. I'm starving. This is very tasty. I love this.
Che è finita.
Here we go. The boat is finished.
Mettiamo
some lemon.
Un po' di limone. E voilà. Decorate.
Look at that. This is very beautiful.
Qualche fettina di limone qua.
Look at that. This is beautiful.
E la barca è fatta.
This is the boat. This is the way we cook, and we don't care about anybody else. Subscribe if you like. If you don't like, of course, get out of here. Salvatore, this is a nice piece of art. Pezzo di arte. Let's try. Proviamo.
Proviamo.
Let's try. This is mine. Take it off. This is mine. Oh, nice.
Calamari buonissimo.
Calamari very
good.
Ok. See you in the next tutorial. Ci vediamo al prossimo tutorial.
Thank you. Thank you.